The best way to paint is to paint from life. However, it's not always possible. So many artists today, as I do, use photography for their paintings. Using photo reference can be challenging because we often become too attached to it, trying to copy its image, value for value, color for color. Instead of using the photo as a guide, we become slaves to it. We forget that we're supposed to interpret the reference, not copy it directly. So, my advice is to study your reference before you start painting. Define for yourself what you love about it and what you want to change. My intention is almost always to expand the feeling of light, to make my painting look luminous, and to push the color by using contrast of cool and warm temperatures. I also aim to paint with defined, expressive brushstrokes and build up thick paint in the areas of light, especially in the highlights. That way, when people look at my painting, it feels realistic but not photographic, more as it was sculpted from the paint. Thank you so much.